Hello and welcome to today's video on life sciences research. In this fascinating field, scientists investigate the various aspects of life, from the smallest molecules to entire ecosystems. Through these investigations, researchers aim to gain a deeper understanding of living organisms, their functions, and the environment they inhabit. So, let's dive into the world of life sciences research and discover its significance and the different areas it encompasses. Life sciences research encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including biology, biochemistry, genetics, ecology, and many more. These disciplines work together to uncover the mysteries of life and contribute to advancements in medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. By studying life at different levels, researchers are able to piece together the intricate puzzle of how organisms function and interact with their surroundings. In biology, welcome to today's video on life sciences research. Life sciences, also known as biological sciences, encompass a wide range of fields that focus on the study of living organisms, including plants, animals, and humans. In this video, we will explore the importance of life sciences research, the different branches of this field, and the significant contributions it has made to our understanding of the natural world. Life sciences research plays a vital role in enhancing our knowledge of biological systems and their functioning. By studying living organisms, researchers aim to discover new insights that can lead to advancements in various areas, such as medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Through meticulous experiments and observations, scientists investigate the intricate processes that occur within organisms, unraveling the complexities of life itself. One of the key branches of life sciences research is genetics. Genetic research delves into the study of genes, the molecular units responsible for inheritance, and the fundamental building blocks of life. This field has led to groundbreaking discoveries, including the identification of genetic disorders and the development of gene therapies. Furthermore, genetics has advanced our understanding of evolution and the relationships between different species. Another important area within life sciences research is neuroscience. Neuroscience focuses on the structure and function of the brain and the nervous system. By investigating the intricate connections between neurons and deciphering the mechanisms of neuronal communication, researchers have made significant progress in understanding human behavior, cognition, and the development of neurological disorders. Moreover, this knowledge has paved the way for the development of treatments for various neurological conditions. Furthermore, life sciences research encompasses fields like ecology, microbiology, and biochemistry, each with its own unique contributions to our understanding of the natural world. Ecology examines the relationships between organisms and their environment, providing insights into the delicate balance of ecosystems and the impacts of human activities. Microbiology explores the microscopic world of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, unraveling their roles in human health and disease. Biochemistry delves into the chemical processes that occur within living organisms, shedding light on the molecular basis of life. In conclusion, life sciences research is a crucial field that helps us unravel the mysteries of life. Through its various branches, it has revolutionized the way we understand the natural world and has led to significant advancements in medicine, agriculture, and conservation. Whether it is the study of genetics, neuroscience, ecology, microbiology, or biochemistry, each area contributes to our collective knowledge and facilitates the development of innovative solutions to the challenges we face as a society. So the next time you hear about a breakthrough in the life sciences, remember the countless hours of research and the dedication of scientists that made it possible.